Guys, and welcome to our channel. As you know, we have learned some basic derivative formula for the constant rule, power rule, sum and differences, product and the quotient. Now we are gonna start with the practice question. So the first question is x to the power 8. So how we will take derivative of x to the power 8? It is very simple. We will apply the power rule. You know, I'm repeating. What is the concept is that power become coefficient and power minus 1. This is the power rule, as you know, we have done previously video. So x to the power 8, what is the power here? Power is 8, and it will become coefficient. 8 become coefficient, then 8 minus 1, it will be 7. So the derivative of x to the power 8 is 8x7, right? Now the second is 4x square. Now let's try to change our 4x square. So as you know, in this term the 4 is already here as a coefficient. So when this 2, which is a square and which is the power, when this square become coefficient, it will multiply with the 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and we don't write 1 here, okay? So it will become 8 and x as it is. So this is our answer, 8x. So derivative of 4x square is 8x. So now come to the next question, which is root x. Under root x, and we're gonna start root x. You know, we can write under root x as x to the power 1/2, and when this half become coefficient and we can take subtraction of half minus 1, so it will become minus half. How? If you take LCM, it will be 2. 1 minus 2 is minus half. So we can write it like this, x to the power minus half over 2, and we can write it as 1/2 रूट एक्स. जो ये माइनस साइन है ये नीचे चला जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा हमारे पास, और हम 1/2 जो भी पावर होती है इसको हम रूट लिखते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अवर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस. सो द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स इज 1/2 रूट एक्स, राइट? And we have done this. Now come to this, we can solve it here. 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x, as you know, 1, what is 1? 1 is a constant. So here 1 is a constant, and as I told you before that the derivative of every constant will be 0. So it will be 0 plus 2x. 2x की पावर 1 है, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it will be x to the power 0, and something which has power 0 is equals to 1. So the derivative of this term will be 2, right? Now we will solve this. 5x square plus 4x separately. We can solve it. 5x square plus 4x. Now we're gonna do some changes in our font like this. 5x square plus 4x. So as you see this is the addition term. So we can take derivative of 5x square, then we will take derivative of 4x, and we can put the plus sign between them. So when this square become coefficient, it will get multiplied with 5 and it will be 10. And 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't write 1 here, right? And 4x, you know, x has power 1. Then when we when we take the subtraction of 1 minus 1, it will be 0, and something which is power 0 will always be equals to 1. We don't write it, and the answer of this 5x square plus 4x derivative is 10x plus 4. This is very easy. Okay, now the next is x square upon 2. X square upon 2. सो एज यू नो, अगर हम इसको सेपरेटली लिखें 1/2 और जो है एक्स स्क्वायर का अगर हम डेरिवेटिव लें तो जो ये 2 है ये क्या हो सकता है, ये कोफिशिएंट बन सकता है, और 2 - 1 इज़ 1. वी डोंट राइट 1 ऑन द पावर, एंड ये वाला जो 2 है ये एज इट इज़ आ गया. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस 2 इज़ here, so it will cancel out and the answer will be only x. So the derivative of x square over 2 will be x. Okay, this is the derivative. Now we are gonna do next question. Okay, so the next the question is 8x into x square plus 2. 8x into x square plus 2, this is our question. So we will take derivative. Now you have two options here. You can apply the product rule here, or you can simply first simplify the following term, which is 8x into x square plus 2. If we take multiplication, 8x will be multiplied with x square and it will be 8x cube, then 2 and 8 will be multiplied and it will be 16x. Now you can take derivative, like you know, power become coefficient and power minus 1. All you have to learn this line. Okay, just learn this line, your life will be easy. 8x cube, so 3 become coefficient, 8 3s are 24, 3 minus 1 is square, plus 1 minus 1 again x to the power 0 आ जाएगा and it will be 1. so इसका जो डेरिवेटिव है वो 16 हो जाएगा. तो ये हमने कर लिया इस तरह से. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा इसका आंसर हो गया. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज़ हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट था एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 6 टू द पावर 5. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 6 टू द पावर 5. Okay, so the power is 5. When 5 become coefficient, it will be x square plus 4x plus 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. We can write directly 4. Now we will take the derivative of our under power. Okay, so the under power is this whole thing. This is whole the under power thing. Okay, so this will be we can write it like this: x square plus 4x plus 6. Okay, so this term will become as it is, and when we take derivative of this term, it will be 2x plus 4, right? So this is your derivative of this term. This is your answer. Okay, now how many questions we have left? Only one. 0.03x. हम इसको यहाँ पे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 0.03x, यू नो, x टू द पावर 1 है, तो जब 1 माइनस 1 होगा तो x की पावर 0 हो जाएगी. 0.03 x to the power 0, which is equals to 1. So 0.03 into 1 will be 0.03. So derivative of 0.03x will be 0.03, right? So these are some examples which we have solved. I hope you get. And one question which I want to give you as an assignment is, please write the derivative of this term in the comment box. Thank you. Please like our channel and subscribe it.